Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity we are about to learn how to round the corners for this rectangle shape. First we need to draw your shape from here, from this toolbar, and then you need to select the shape, and up here in this toolbar you can see the corner. You can click here to set the corner type. You can select none, rounded, straight, concave, and cutout. And if I want to round the corners, I can use this to round this just like this. Or you can just click here, set the value like 50%. So this is how you can round the corner for rectangle shape with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.